Guys, it's Texas Outlaw today, and I have an unboxing some stuff that I ordered off of eBay. I'm gonna open this up real quick. I ordered a couple of guns and some other stuff. It's a pretty heavy box. So they gave me this. I don't know what that's from. I have an MRE right here. A blue line edition one. And then I have a Colt gun right here.
It's fucking hot.
Sorry guys, that's my sister in the background speaking. And this is the gun that I have right here. It's an AEP. It's pretty wide. As you can see, I have pretty big hands, and this is a pretty fat gun. My hands almost can't, like, feels fine, I guess. It's pretty bulky. And it comes with a charger and some BBs and a cleaning rod and a speed loader as well. Right here. So I'm gonna put this over here. And then up next I have a 9.6 Swiss Arms battery that I have bought and sell for $10. And then some tracer, 5,600 rounds, .2s. These are just for my pistol or sidearm. But I do have some other ones that I use for my rifle already. And then this is a SEMA, the M4 that I bought. That's it right here. Open it up. Has little styrofoam pieces everywhere, but this is the gun, and it comes with rails for you to attach on the sides right here, and it has some right here too as well already. It has flip up sights. I don't know if you can see it. Yeah, it's pretty nice. Take this out right now. Put this back in the box. I have another SEMA right here. This one is an M16 full metal A3. Try to get it from there. Take that off. I'll deal with that later. This is the gun. Comes with a little hop-up sticker right there. Full metal sling mounts on each end, and the triangle sights are polymer, and the carry handle is metal. And there's your rotary hop-up right there, or your little wheel for your hop-up. It's not a rotary hop-up. Down here it says "Stay back 100 meters, or you will be shot." And then on the other side it has that little engraving right there. So that is it for this box. And I have another box right here. This is the last one. It's just a pack of energy shells. all it is with the stickers on there. And a core and 2 pins and a little ring, I guess an extra one. And that's gonna be it for today, guys. Thanks for watching. Leave a like and subscribe. Have a nice day.